I'm Vicki Brenton with the Institute for Spirituality and Health, and this week during the Caring Heart event, we are honoring our frontline workers in Houston for their extraordinary service during COVID. And I'm joined today with one of those extraordinary workers, Rob Booth with the City Health Department. Thank you, Rob, for your service, for sharing your story with us today. And I especially want to point out that the only reason you don't have your mask on, so people know, is I asked you to take it off and no one is around you.
Yes, that's correct. Thanks. Yes, my name is Robert Booth. I'm the leader of a mobile coronavirus testing team for the City of Houston Health Department. Actually at a mobile testing site right now. This is our truck behind us that carries all of our equipment everywhere that we need to go. I have a unique background in that in the military, I was a Russian interpreter and I worked on chemical and biological weapons dismantlement projects. I learned a lot about infectious disease in that role and came away from it convinced that someday we would be facing a global pandemic. In the intervening years, I worked in the oil field services industry for a long time. And I was exposed to a corporate culture of executing in a safe manner, specific goals and achieving those goals and putting an emphasis on metrics and numbers. And so when this opportunity came up, I was extremely excited to get out and do something on the front lines with some dedicated people. And this is everything that I thought it would be. What I did was from the corporate culture, I decided to apply those to some of those principles that I learned to my team. And so I gave up with a major goal, a mission statement. We save lives. And then the way that we save lives, we break that down into two areas: customer facing and then internally facing. Customer facing, we strive to deliver 100% accurate test results to 100% of our customers 100% of the time. That's a big goal. And with the numbers that we've been turning in, sometimes that's a tough goal to reach. But all I ask of the people that work with me is that they strive to hit 100%. And I'm very fortunate that on my team, we all do strive to hit 100% of the time. Then the internal facing goal is safety. That if we're going to save lives, we need to save our own lives and operate in a safe manner. That involves wearing PPE 100% of the time in the correct way, and then running operations outdoors in a way that no one gets hurt. Everybody on my team is given stop work authority. If they see something that they think is unsafe, they can say, "Rob, we want to stop here now. This is unsafe." And when we come out, we discuss it. We mitigate the risks. We eliminate the risks. We find another way to do things more safely, and then we start operations again, trying to serve our customers that are out here looking to get a test result so they can alter their behavior and not infect other people.
Wow. Thank you so much for sharing that story and for your service. And I hope I want your whole team to know that the city, our community, really does recognize and appreciate the risk you take and the sacrifices that you're making to protect us. Thank you for your service and all that the City Public Health Department is doing to not only do testing, but more recently in the vaccine efforts. You're doing a great job. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much for your kind words. Really nice to talk to you.
Thank you.